you're running your business and cash is king. Always keep that in mind. And that's something that small business owners, I think sometimes don't take a hard look at. They're looking at the P&L, so that profit and loss, and saying, hey, there's a net income, all is good, and not realizing that there are cash issues coming down the road. So whether you're starting out or you own an existing business, make sure that you're going through that process. Don't wait and do that one time a year, because it doesn't allow you to be proactive. You're always going to be in that reactive mode, and it's really hard to catch up. Some things that you might think about if you're offering terms to your clients or customers, making sure that you have a standardized process, that you're getting those invoices out to the customers in a timely fashion. You might shorten terms if the industry norm allows that, and if it doesn't and you're offering those, you might try a small discount for a timely or immediate payment, I should say, on that. Some companies may take advantage of it, others don't. But anytime that you're extending credit to your customers, you're acting as a bank for them. So whatever you can do to help shorten that timeline, and it may be as simple as friendly reminders, maybe options for them to pay with a credit card or ACH payment online through your website. So little things that you can do to help with that. Another thing, cash flow, if you're buying from suppliers and vendors, see if you can negotiate credit terms with them. Some allow right from the gate. If you've got a good credit history and you're willing to sign personally to guarantee it, they will offer those. Others are a lot more hesitant, and they say, hey, you've got to have 6 months or a year of credit history with us before we'll consider that. But if you're able to get credit from your vendors or suppliers, then that gives you that much more time to use the money, sell the goods, and then collect from your customers. So inventory is definitely a cash eater, and small businesses and large businesses alike have to watch their inventory levels. And by cash eater, I mean that you're purchasing inventory to bring in to have in your warehouse, on your floor, for your online store, and you're paying for that with cash. So that cash is gone, and you're not receiving that cash until you sell those products that you've purchased. You also need to look at inventory levels for your store size. What are benchmarks for your industry? So you can get into trouble there where you have hundreds of thousands of dollars tied up in your revenue that you're generating on a monthly basis is not covering that.